Okay, what's happening, guys? Since I've redone my carving table, everything's nice and clean right now. I got a hold of Sansi Lighting and requested if they give me another light, I'll do a review for them on this light. So here's the review. This is a floodlight. Okay, I wanted an overhead light, so I get lighting coming in from everywhere when I'm carving. Because like I said to all you other carvers there, in my opinion, lighting's a huge part. You need to see everything needs to be lit up, so you don't miss any cuttings and stuff like that, cut marks. So this is the 50-watt floodlight, okay? Congratulations, you are the lucky receiver of a lucky moon card. We sincerely invite you to the Sansi VIP. Thanks so much for the kindness. I should get a code for this. You can buy this on Amazon. I think it's like 50 or 60 bucks. 40 to $60 Canadian, okay? So here's the instructions. It's an outdoor LED floodlight. I wanted to go with LED lighting because they seem brighter and obviously they're cheaper on the hydro bill. You know what I mean? So this is the light. Comes with these fasteners. I think there's even concrete fasteners. But yeah, so this is the light here. Okay, so I'm going to be overhanging this on my carving bench. I'll install it and then I'll show you guys, and then we'll do a lighting test. Okay. So right now I have one Sansi, I think it's a 40 watt light bulb in this lamp here, okay? I usually have two, but I'm going to try and see how it works with this one. I might not even need this light bulb in here after this one's installed. So it seems pretty cool. It's on a turning holder thing. This part's plastic, but this is metal. Okay. There's your specs right there. It's a floodlight for outdoors. So it's going to be probably pretty bright in here. They get all their lights passed too by inspection, okay? So yeah, this is, I'm excited to give this a go. Like I said, guys, I'm not a review channel, and it's not going to turn into a review channel. I will review anything to do with wood carving, though, that's for sure. And this, in my opinion, is very important for wood carving or any kind of art that I do anyways. Lighting's important so you can see all the aspects of your shapes and stuff like that, so nothing's hidden. So let me get this installed and see the lighting. So remember what the lighting's like now, and then I'll install it, and then we'll see what it's like after I install it. Okay, so there you go. Wow, is that ever bright? I'll take it off my camera off the holder now and show you. So there's how I have the holder mounted. I can turn it any way I want to, right? So it's pretty mint. Let's turn off this other 40 watt regular light bulb. Yeah, so I think this thing might give me enough lighting for anything. Because look, I got no shadows on either side, you know what I mean? Like you should see a shadow one side of my hand, you don't see nothing. So this light might just work good enough for me. So I know these guys, they give great warranties on their product, okay? I'm not trying to sell anybody anything, but I know they do give. I don't know what the warranty is on this one, so I can't say anything what the warranty is. But I'm pretty damn happy with this, with these lights. Anyways, they give cheaper hydro bill, and they don't get as hot as regular light bulbs, and they're brighter. Look, you can see how this thing brightens everything up. So, there you go. I think it's pretty damn good for the price. $40 to $60 on Amazon. Sansi floodlight